Hello and welcome to the platform. In this video, we will walk you through the various features and options available in the account settings. Let's get started. Go to the Access page. Here we see the list of accounts. Let's take a look at Available Filter. The status field indicates whether your account is currently active or in a different status. An active account is open and available for trading, while accounts with a suspended, blocked, or init status are inactive. There is also a close-only account status that allows clients to open short positions only. One important parameter is the account relation, which represents the relation of this account with other entities or counterparties. Client, provider, internal, managed. The counterparty to the account consisted of created profiles and acts as the party participating in financial operations. Now let's go to the account settings. Let's click on any account to explore its functionality. In the Settings section, you'll find options such as the aggregator settings, netting settings, margin profile, tariff, and tax profile. These settings allow you to customize your account according to your specific needs. Also, you can change the trade mode for the account and turn on the Skip Order Margin Check option. In the Account Info subsection, other important parameters are available to you. The External ID field represents your external account number, which is used by brokers for identification purposes, typically used to allow a provider to uniquely identify a client of a particular broker. The Party Role field defines the role of the account and can affect certain rules specific to underlying STP sessions. Invert Side and Reports. This function is used only for principal sessions without affecting client STP and order STP. Allows you to invert trade sides and account reports. This means that instead of displaying buy or sell trades normally, you can choose to display them in reverse. For example, if a transaction would normally appear as a buy, you can invert it so that it appears as a sale and vice versa. Make an empty report of this option allows you to send a report for this client at the end of the day, even if there were no transactions or cash flows for it. The Open Date field indicates the date the account was opened. The Description field allows you to provide a brief description of your account to help you identify it. In the Adjustments section, you have the option to set a margin credit for this account. Simply click the Edit button to make changes, enter the required amount, and select the asset. Several STP session settings are also available, and you have the ability to set and change the initial limits of this account. You just need to select the limit rule, net, gross, or net sum, set the limit and asset, and click Update Account. Well, now it's time to link your account to a user to allow your client to start trading. To add a link, start by searching and clicking the Add Account Link button. This button is usually found in your account settings or user management section. After clicking the button, a new window or drop-down menu will appear. Here you can select the user you want to link to your account. Select a user from the list by clicking on their name. Once selected, you will need to set a display name. This is the name that will be associated with the user in relation to that specific account. Finally, you will need to select the appropriate access set. The access set determines the level of permissions and restrictions that the user will have when accessing the account. Once you have filled in all the required information, click the Save to create a link between the account and the user. Congratulations! You have successfully added a link between an account and a user. The user will now have access to the account based on the selected access set. Once a user is linked to an account, you can click the View button to access the trading interface for the specific client or user associated with that account. Well done! In this video, we learned about functionality of accounts on the platform. We hope this information was helpful to you. Bye and see you in the next videos.